Hello there, everybody. It's the Dinosaur here. Welcome to another Gamemaker tutorial. This is the zinger. This is a good time. So we're gonna be doing some platforming, some gravity switching, some spinnerooning, hopefully. And let me just show you what I've got so far. So I made a basic character here. Let's check it out. So we got stand, right? You know, he's standing. He's bloop, 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 bloop. So this is what you want. We want your little standing, little animation here. Centered. You know, we got our run animation, which looks like this. This is our run animation. Pew, pew. Very nice. I took a lot of time on that one. You know, centered, of course. Then we got our jump animation. For when he's jumping in the air. This is what he looks like, if you can. And so, yeah, and that's centered. There we go. And then we have our collision mask, which is the same exact size as him, also centered. We also need some ground. SPR ground. Let's just make this. Yeah, I retyped them, even though let's make this blue. I forgot to make some grounds, so let's do that real quick. Let's make it a square. Let's make a like a thing like that. Let's get some brighter ones. Let's color them in. Scribbly light. Yes, that's our square. Look at that. It's a great block. If I do say so myself, we could probably center that. Ah, man. Alright, let's do this. So first, let's create our block object number 1. Ground. I don't know why I called it ground. Just a block. Solid, that's all you need there. And then, oh man, I didn't think about how to do this. It's okay. Let's get our guy going first. Let's make object guy. Let's give him object guy stand. And let's get into it. In the step vent, we're gonna put our little comment there. This is a move and stuff. So we're gonna move and stuff. Now this is pretty standard, like I said before. If you see my platforming shooter tutorial, it is literally the exact same code because I am looking at it right now and making it so it happens. So. I'll just type this out real quick, I guess, because I was typing and chatting at the same time. So I'll just follow along, and then we'll get there. So our first line, we're making this temporary variable called h input to decide our left and right input, right? And we're like minusing them from each other because if it's D, like we're pressing D, then that'll be 1. Minus keyboard A, and if we're not pressing A, then it will be 1 minus 0, which will be 1, which will be right. If we're pressing D and A, it'll be 1, because it's going to be true, minus 1, which will be 0, which means it won't go anywhere. And if it's A, it'll be 0, minus 1, which will be negative 1, and we'll do all that. We need some variables to start out with. I always forget this part. Let's make a create event and add some code in here. And we need h speed equals 0. We need v speed equals 0. We need yeah, I'm thinking about this, and this is going to be something. We're gonna need grav direction equals 270. So I'm just gonna think about this, and h speed blah 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 blah. Okay. Yeah, I didn't go into this very prepared. Oh no. We're gonna figure it out as we go along. So let's get our guy jumping and moving and stuff like that. We're gonna modify our game just as we go, honestly. And then we want to make our speed equals 0. No, we don't want our speed to be equals 0 because we want it to be We want it to be what should our speed be? Should it be 3? No, we want to be a fast guy. Let's make it 5. Let's make our jump. We want to be a big jumper. So let's do jump. And if we want to be acceleration, we're gonna make it like an 0.5. You know, a decent acceleration. And that should be it. Okay, let's get back into it. Step event, no more time to waste. Wasted too much already. Here we go, H input. So now we're gonna like move based off of our input. So if it's not equal to 0, basically if we're gonna go somewhere, H speed plus equals H input times Excel. Because H input is either gonna be -1, 0, or 1. So we can times it by our acceleration and add it to our H speed to make it so we have like this nice speed up, slow down, or just speed up effect. And then H speed we're gonna equal clamp, so we're gonna put a little cap on this variable here. And it's gonna be H speed, and then our minimum value is minus speed, our maximum value is speed, to make sure our H speed isn't going over our like speed limit. Otherwise, if our H input is equal to 0, we're gonna go H speed equals lerp, which is a great word, which means we're just gonna slow down incrementally until we get to a value. So H speed, the value we want to go towards is 0, and the amount we're gonna go towards it by reducing by like technically 80% every time, because it's 0.2. So we're going to divide our speed or times it by 0.2 every time, approaching 0. Now if we're going to go if not place meeting, and this is where things are going to get interesting, because x y plus 1 object block. All right, so if we're not object block, H speed plus equals gravity. What should our gravity be? Oh, 0.6 is fine. We'll check that out. Otherwise, if keyboard check check pressed, or W, because we're going to be using our WASD keys. And I forgot a parenthesis there. This is going to be a long boy, so it's not going to be that long. V speed minus equals jump. Alright, so what we're doing here is that if we're not on the ground, y plus 1. But the thing is, this is going to be different because the way that we're facing on the ground is going to be different. So we're going to figure out a solution to do that, to make it so we can switch gravity. Alright. But that's okay. For now, this will work. Just to get our character going. So now we're going to do some other stuff. Oh yeah, and then we're going to say, if we're on the ground, then we're going to say, if we press the W key, we're going to jump. Boink. It's going to be great. We're going to jump really high, really fast. It's going to be awesome. If place meeting H or X plus H speed, Y object block. So when we're moving, if our next step is gonna smack us into something, we're gonna go while not place meeting X plus sign H speed Y object solid, except it's object block, and whoa, block in this case. And I forgot another parenthesis. Good heavens. Alright, X plus equals sign H speed. And so this means, if our next step is gonna run us into a block, what we're gonna do is approach it by 1 pixel, because we're just sign is going to get -1 or +1 depending on the which side of 0 this number is, which way we're moving, right? We're going to move up by 1 pixel every time until our next pixel is going to hit it. So that way we move right up against blocks and stuff. X plus equals H speed. And we're going to do the same thing for vertical. Place meeting X plus X and then comma Y plus V speed instead. Object block. And then we're going to go while. Same thing, not place meeting x plus, except it's just x, y plus sine v speed. Sorry, I was just thinking for a second of how we're going to do this. Because these can stay the same, actually. Our v speed and all that, those variables can stay the same, but we're going to change some of those. So, double parenthesis, object block, right? We'll get to that in a minute. X plus equals sine v speed. Same thing. Oh, I also forgot. Oh, let's go back up here. To this x right here, we want to go h speed equals 0. Because then if we hit it, we want to stop, you know, moving. Same thing here, v speed equals 0. Whew! Because that would be a bit of a disaster if that didn't happen. Okay. And now we're going to say v speed equals clamp. We're going to limit how fast we can go up and down. So v speed value, the minimum, I don't know, negative 20. No, that's our jump. So maybe negative 30. And then our maximum speed going downwards, let's also say 20, just so we can move pretty fast. And then we're going to say y plus equals v speed. Then we're going to do a view. We're going to say view x view equals view. No, equals x minus view w view divided by 2. And let's put this right there with that 0. That, and I like to put parentheses here just to make sure everything is going. Alright, so this is going to make sure that we're in the center, left and right of our view. Let's just copy this. Point, copy. And then this is going to be y. This is going to be y. And this is going to be h. Alright? That way we put our view right in the center. So this should be everything here for our guy, for our dude guy. He's not going to have any animations yet. We could do that in a minute. So let's make a room. Let's just make a RM level. This is fine, I think. Backgrounds, let's make it like, I don't know. This is actually a fine background as well. Objects, let's make our grid. Oh my goodness, I'm a goof, you know what I'm saying? Let's not make this in the middle. I was like, this time the blocks can be in the middle. No, they're not going to be in the middle. That way we can just be like, broom, 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 broom. Woohoo, no. And then let's just do it in the middle. Let's just do some platforms just to see how high we can really jump, how far, stuff like that. Just some little singular blocks here. No, I'm just kidding, maybe not. Okay, maybe a singular block there. And then let's just get our guy and let's put him up here. Wonk. Just so we can fall. Then we want to do views. We want to enable use of views, visible when the room starts. And let's make it, you know, like half that, 512 by 288. That's the way I like to do it. And then 224 and 576, like that. That's the way we're going to do it. We don't need to do anything like that because we're already doing that in our step event. So let's go in here and let's make sure our guy is going. All right. Let's make sure our guy is going. So he's going, plop. Ooh, he's not very fast. Also, it's running at 30 frames per second. You know, I hate that, just having to be like, 60. And as always, I want to go into global game settings. And I want to go to Windows, Graphics, and I want to go into, don't interpolate colors, because we're using our pixely things. 8-bit style type thing. Use synchronization to avoid tearing. Alright. Is our guy too slow? Let's see. Our jump is really high. Like, let's make our jump 10 instead. I mean, I overestimated his jump. Alright. Let's do this. So, now we got a guy. Oh, he's going, his animation is going fast. Oh, now he doesn't jump high at all. Let's fix that. See, that's what's nice. We can just adjust these. It'd be like 13. And I want his speed to be 7. And let's make image speed equals 0.5 to make sure it's going half as fast. Little adjustments here and there. We're just getting our dudes set up. Wonk. Alright, there we go. Woo! And now we're jumping. Woo! Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Look at us jump. All right. One thing I want to do. Well, I don't want to do anything yet. Yeah, we're gonna do it. Let's just make sure everything's good first. Let's do animations and stuff. All right. So first off, we want to say if. No, we're just gonna say image x scale equals sine h speed. That way, our guy will face whichever direction we are currently moving. So, if place meeting. Well. Yeah. X, y plus 1, but see, this will get interesting, but we'll deal with that in a minute. Object block. So if we're on the ground, if h speed is greater than 1, or greater than or equal to 1, or h speed is less than or equal to -1, so basically if we're actually like moving and not just speeding up and slowing down, we're going to say if h speed is greater than 0. So if we're moving right, then we're gonna say sprite index equals SBR guy move. Actually, is it run? We don't actually need to do that either because this is gonna be a lot simpler than we thought. All right, guy run. Oh, we also want to say image angle is equal to so we got like our grav angle, our grav direction. So we're gonna say grav direction, and we're gonna say minus 270. We're gonna say that because we're gonna be changing our gravity direction, so we want our angle to, like, you know, go in that way. So like our guy's like spinning around and stuff like that. Okay. And then we want to go. Yeah. And then we'll say else sprite index equals SPR guy stand. And then we say, here we go, else sprite index equals SPR guy jump. All right. So if we're on the ground, if we're moving, we're running. If we're not moving, we're standing. And if we're in the air, we're jumping. All right. All right. Let's go into it now, because now that we got our guy like set up, we can do a gravity switching thing. Except he's invisible for a reason that we don't know. Am I doing something wrong? Well, obviously I'm doing something wrong. Y plus 1 object block. Sprite index and jump. Move and stuff. That's fine. Because it's when we added this where things went bad. Image X scale. Is it the image X scale? Sine H speed. A puzzling mystery indeed. Well, let's take this out here and let's try it. Let's put it in here. Let's put it in there. Yeah. I think that should be good. All right, let's give it a bit of a try. Because we went like straight through the ground too. Like we didn't even watch out for that. Ooh, yeah. Now he's like, ooh, look at now he's like running. Woo! Go, guy, go! Whoa, you with your flopping around and crap like that. It's great. All right. So that's great. So now we need to make it though. See, now we need to alter our game here to make it so that I want to do like the mouse buttons. So when we press the left mouse button, when we press the left mouse button, I want us to turn and like walk on that wall right there. Oh, stuck in the wall. Oh, I know why. We also need to do one more thing. We need to go to our guy and do collision mask. Guy collision. There we go. That'll make it so that things are not being weird. So, yeah. There we go. Now we ain't gonna have any problems here. All right. So, the thing is, I think we wanna get some stuff. I have an idea of what we're gonna do. Like, I have an idea. You know? Okay, but first off, we need to actually like change directions and stuff. So another thing we got to do is in our step event, in our move and stuff, we want to go view angle. Did you know that view angle was a thing? I didn't until, well, a little bit ago. We're going to do also grav direction minus 270. So there we go. Now hopefully when we get into the game this will work. Whoop, and then so yeah, our angle's still the same. So now we need to we need to make it so that we'll switch around our direction and stuff like that. So I actually want to have another variable that's like grav direction, and then I want to have one that says show direction, and I want that equal to be grav direction, right? And then I want to come into our step event move and stuff, and I want this to be show direction. And then here, I want this to be show direction. That way to give it a little bit more animation and stuff like that. Because you'll see what I mean in a second. So we're going to go adjust. We're going to add some code. We're going to say adjust for gravity and stuff. So let's see here. We want to go show direction is equal to lerp. Value is show direction. Where we're trying to go is grav direction. And amount, we're just going to say 0.2 for now, just to see. Basically, we're going to make it so when we switch directions, it like spins, you know, like spins and stuff. Okay, and so there's that. And then, so here we go. So we're gonna say if key mouse button press, is it check pressed? There's so many codes. Check pressed, mouse check. Let's just let Gamemaker figure it out for us. Mouse check button pressed. That's not what I did. No, I did mouse button check. Ah, jeez. All right. If our, let's see, MB mouse button left, yeah, we are going to subtract. So then we're going to say grav direction minus equals 90. And then we're going to copy this. Let's copy this. We're figuring this out together. And we're going to change it to right. Then this is going to be plus 90, okay? Then what I want to do is if grav direction is less than 0, grav direction, because if it's gonna go from 0 to technically negative 90, we want to just add 360 to that to make it so it'll become 270 instead of whatnot, right? And vice versa. We want to say if grav direction is greater than 360, we're going to, because then it will be what, 360 plus 90 is 450. So if it's like 450, because we're going to be adding 90 to it, we want to subtract. We're gonna go grav direction minus equals 360. That way, we get that back down to 90. So let's see if this works. So our guy and everything in our view will change. It'll be really disorienting, I think. But I think we can do it. So we're here, and then we left pressed. Oh, yeah, look at that. But we're still running. But like our guy, he's like upside down. Okay. But then it's like opposite, right? But see how we like flip around like that? That's kind of awesome. So then here we go. See, like that. Ee-hee-hee. Ee-hee-hee-hee. What if we take this out though? Let me check this because it was doing some weird spinny things. So let's do animate. No, it's in just for gravity and stuff. What if we take this out? So we go /star and it'll comment out everything right there. I wonder what it will do. I bet you it'll just be. I think this will be better, to be perfectly honest. I think this will be much better because then we can just keep switching it like this. So yeah, so our things like backwards though, because you see like our view. I think just our view's backwards. Okay, let me do that. Let's fix that because I think everything else is correct. We just need to do plus 90 and minus 90 there. Let's see that because we know our guy is correct, so we need to make sure that it's all going. So go. It's just gonna be flip flop from whatever we do. But this is the way I want it. This is the way I was wanting it to rotate, though. You know. So we just need to make it so like our guy is on the same page. So how do we do that? What am I doing wrong with our guy? See, it's show direction minus 270. Should we just do show direction? Because if we're at 0, minus 270. Oh, it should be plus 270. See, that's what I was doing wrong. That doesn't make sense, though. This doesn't make sense, guys. Let's see though, because now, that's not correct. That's just not correct. Okay. Okay, guy, moving stuff. Oh well, this we don't. Yeah, this wants to be. This needs to stay minus 270. It's our animations and stuff that needs to be plus 270, I think. Or plus 90. Plus 90. So that's backwards there. What in the world? See, that's correct. You know? How do we figure this out, guys? What's going weird? I mean, it's off by like 1, so we really do. Because if our grav direction, so our gravity, so should this just be plus 90? I think this should just be plus 90. I don't know. But that's what we're doing. We're doing it. We're just goofing a little bit. That's correct. That's incorrect. See, that's upside down from where we need it to go. You know? That's correct. That's incorrect. That's incorrect. So they're all wrong. What if... You know? Like, this is getting me good. This is getting me good. So what if we just do... Hold on now. We need to think about this. Let's think about this, guys. So, when our gravity angle is 270, okay, our image angle is 0, okay? But if our gravity direction is 180, this way, what is our image? It's minus 90 or 270, right? Which that should be correct because that should be right. Or is it because of our x scale? No, because our x scale is going to turn with us. We can prove that by going, I think we can go x scale, so we can go 2 times, so our guy's going to be really fat. Let's see. I'm really interested in getting this figured out, because that should be the same, just our angle should be the thing that changes. Yeah, see, then we're a big guy, but like, you see how our, like, X scale turns with us. So that should be the same. So that should be fine. Our X scale, you know, it turns with us. So we can get rid of that. So it's not our X scale that's doing weird things. It's just being weird. Because what if we just go, it equals show direction, you know? But does it have to do with that? See, it's just confusing like that. It's not even the point. So we're gonna be like wrong right here. We're gonna be wrong there, right there. So it's like we're only correct sometimes. How do we get it correct every time? Either way, even if our guy doesn't turn super correctly, because this really should just be 270. Like that should be the thing. Like that should be, because that's where our view's going, and so that should be the thing that should be where this guy goes too. But he's like upside down. You see that? Unless maybe that does have to do with our X scale. You know? And then there's just opposite. It's like it's the same thing where it's always opposite. But if it's always opposite, does that mean we can do a thing? Let's try it. Let's do animations and stuff. Let's go -1 times show direction. Let's flip show direction. Minus, is this a dumb thing? Our guy should look the same. So if this works, our guy should look the same every direction. So he's upside down. He's upside down. Aha! See, now he's upside down all the time. Ooh, we're doing it, guys. We're doing it. Okay. So then we just need to. Oh my goodness. Okay, we just need to minus 90. Just minus 9. No, we need to plus 90. This is, oh my goodness, it's the breakthrough. It's amazing. Wow. I apologize for that, but that's the problem with doing this. Okay, he's still upside down because it is the same thing. Okay, object guy, move no, animations and stuff. Okay, the minus 90. Okay, here we go. Why is it opposite though? I don't know, but I'm okay with it. It's fine with me because we're right side up. We're always right side up now. Woohoo! Wow, that's disorienting, but that's fine. And we just do a little bit of switch. So now we should be like falling though, but it's okay. So now the only task, because we've got our gravity switching mechanic. Now the only thing we got to do is make it so our gravity actually like switches with us. So the problem is with the way this is set up, but I think we can adjust it. I think, but this is gonna be another one of those weird things. So let's try and just get it so that we're gonna fall in the direction. Let's not worry about moving yet. I just want to make sure that we fall in the direction that we go. So like one way to do it is that we just have if statements that say if our direction is this way, do it like this. But like I don't want to do that at all, you know? I don't want to do that at all. Because that'll be like really complicated programming. H input, and it basically it should just be adjusted. Do you think that we could just go plus H speed? Yeah. Length x H speed, so length is H speed. The dir is the thing that's gonna get me though. It's gonna get us because it's gonna be. We want to make this grav direction though. We don't, we want it to be. Or maybe should we do? Let's do a show direction just because. Because if we do this, length dir show direction. So if this, however, so show direction would be down. We want this to be show direction minus 90, I think. This, however, we just want to be length dir y v speed show direction, and that should just be show direction. Yeah. Okay, I'm nervous, guys. I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's hope it works. I really hope it works. Oh man. No man. So we're falling. Whoa, we're doing something weird. Oh my. So it worked when we were there. Okay, so then the only other thing, okay. So if we go moving stuff, we just want to be plus length dir y. Okay. Yeah. And that's gonna be 1. Our dir is going to be show direction, I believe. And then, oh my goodness, there's gonna be so much. Okay. And if we come down here, so that's h speed. So this is gonna have to be length dir x. If this is even gonna work, h speed, direction is show direction, and this I think is minus 90. And that's why we weren't doing gravity, because okay, yeah. We got this. And we want this to be also, so we're just putting this length dir x in here. I think this will work though. I have a feeling. Show direction, and this is going to also be minus 90 because we're doing our left and right, and those are not 60, 90. All right, that should be fine. This should be length dir y, v speed, and then our direction is just gonna be show direction because that worked before. So then we just need here length dir y, sign, and then show direction, and y plus sign. Oh, this needs to be show direction too. Holy cow. I mean length dir. But then I think, and that's going to be a y. We're going to need to go up there and do the other one too. And this is going to be show direction. And this is going to be length dir x, sign right there, comma, show direction. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think that's going to do it, guys. I think that's going to do it. I don't know though. I have no clue. But I hope. Okay, so we fell, and now we're not falling, and now we fell, and now we're like still falling. Okay. Yeah. So we got some other adjusting to do, but it mostly worked. Show direction minus 90. I think this also has to be -1 times. I think that's the way this has to work. And I think maybe this has to be 270. No, it had to be plus 90. I don't, okay. Oh my goodness, so maybe let's adjust these because it was like backwards for a bit there. Is there something else we're forgetting though? Yes. No. Yes. No. I don't know, guys. Okay, this should be fine. That's show direction. That worked. We know that worked. Place meaning. Well, I'm just trying to go through and make sure everything else was good. Length dir y. Yeah, v speed, sine v speed. Okay. Sine v speed of show direction, which should be up and down object block. Okay, length dir y, show direction, yeah. And let's see. I know I'm supposed to, like, that's always the problem with my videos here when I do like these tutorials and crap. It's like I'm supposed to be like so these are backwards, but we're still like jumping and stuff, so that's okay. And then we do a flip-flop, and then we should be falling right now, but I think we're like stuck in that block or something like that. But then if we do that, that's also backwards, but now we're down here. But now it's only when we're sideways when we like don't do the stuff. Okay. So okay. And the reason why our animation is like doing weird is because this also needs to be plus length y1 direction is show direction. That'll fix that. Because then the only problem is that it's gonna adjust our y. See. This is the thing. Oh, let me unflip flop those also as well. Because I'm trying to make it so like we use like the least amount of code as possible. You know, because we're trying to get it so that H speed goes and stuff like that. We could adjust these like that, these plus and like these, because this doesn't have to be there. I think all we might need to do is adjust those to do some stuff. I don't know. Let's fix our moving though for a second. So I think this is just show direction minus 90. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. And let's do that. No. What I do? What I goof? Where's my goof? Where's my goof? Oh, I know my goof. Just like that. Okay. And then this we just want like that. Okay. Let's make sure our H speed at least works. And then let's get to it. Oh my goodness. So our X's and Y's are still backwards though. You see that? There we go. But like we can do this now. They're still backwards. So maybe let's just do this. Let's do object guy. So yeah, let's just do, well, you just have to change these to plus 90, I think. I think that's the only thing we gotta do there. Because oh yeah, I know why. Because it's like, yeah. Okay, got you. Okay. Alright. Boink. No, that was not correct. That was not correct at all. They're still backwards. Why are they still backwards? I think I know the real solution to this. Alright? We need to go in here and we gotta go minus. We gotta go minus. We gotta go minus. This is the real solution. I think we just gotta reverse our H input. I think we just gotta go H input times equals -1. It's weird stuff, guys. Weird stuff happens in nowhere. It's up to courage to something. Okay. Yes. Now we're back in business and we do a little bit of a whoa. That was a bit of an interesting thing that happened right there. We just need to adjust our X and Y so that we jump in midair though. Boof. Sweet. Oof. Alright, so that's cool. That's cool. So we can do it like jumping those ways. Animations and stuff. Moving and stuff. Equals sine H speed times negative. That was backwards. -1 times sine H speed. Alright. Okay. Alright. Well, if we can at least switcheroo. Whoa. Things get a little weird. Oh, did you see that? Yikes. Maybe. So then we're like stuck in the air because like it doesn't know what to do. Boof. Okay, so we're back to being right set up. We could make our collision and then like the game's like frozen. So alright, that's it for now. I'm going to make a part 2 on Wednesday, figuring this out. I'm going to figure it out before then, though. That would be nice. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you want to see more of this crap. Always remember to have a complete breakfast. I'll see you guys next time. Adios.